Or is this an acceptable time to start filming and riding today? It's 3 PM. This is what time you start your day up north, isn't it?
The day's thawed out.
But it's not cold.
It's actually not. Wait, no. Let's do the thing where we say it's really cold, and then everyone will go, oh, I don't want to go to the northeast, it's too cold, and then they'll stay away. And we can keep it for ourselves.
Keep it for ourselves.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm part of.
Yeah.
Yeah, bike ride. So it's my last day up here in the north. We thought we'd make the most of it and do a proper ride today. 70 k's down towards the coast. Got the drone with me, so carrying a little bit of extra weight, taking it nice and steady, and yeah, make the most of these beautiful paths before I end up back in London and the riding becomes shit again. They are absolutely 100% spoiled up here. The riding's just, this is amazing. It's basically bike path all the way to the coast, slightly downhill, no stress of being around traffic and cars, and it took us about 5 minutes to get on this path. Just gonna sit on their wheels for a bit. Chill.
Do you remember yesterday when I said we'll be on top of Causey Arch?
Yeah.
I was like, it's a wagon way that goes all the way to Sunderland.
This is it.
This is it. It's basically downhill, 30 kilometres from our house, right the way to the coast.
Why would anyone ride on the road when you've got paths like this?
Well, I guess that you would go faster on a road, but like, who cares about speed?
Yeah.
Speed's overrated. That's for them like racery kind of people, you know, well, you when you were young, those kind of people.
Yeah.
But like normal people, what difference does like 5 kph make?
Well, you're still doing the power.
Well, yeah, you can do, yeah.
The heart is deceitful above all things and desperate and wicked. Who can know it? I, the Lord, search the heart, and try the reins, even to give every man according to his ways, and according to the fruit of his doing.
That was alright, that. Seaside.
There's a hell of a lot of cows over there. Nature!
They're not pishing like the other one.
It's like countryside and seaside together.
I haven't used this in a while.
I've never seen a drone flown before, it's quite fun actually.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's such a clever bit of kit. In fact, every time I fly it, I'm like, how does this exist?
It's so intelligent.
Such a clever thing.
It's so discreet as well.
Yeah.
It does make me quite anxious though. I'm constantly worried it's going to fall. I'm like a protective mum. Don't go too far. Don't go too close to the cliff. It's fine though.
Yeah, let's do it.
Sunderland was great. Time to get back on the road. And it's kind of late now. We're going to get back before dark. Hopefully.
More important question, what's for dinner?
Quad nuggets.
Corn nuggets.
Thought we were going to lose daylight again, but I was just forgetting that there's endless daylight up here in the north, so actually we've got a while to get back so we can chill out, just enjoy it. I really am savouring these roads and not looking forward to doing 3 hills when I get home, but it should still be a fun week of content because we've got Daisy's new bike to show off. She's actually been riding it, getting used to it for the last couple of days, and yeah, it's pretty good. You guys are going to love it. Light's getting nice and low now. Just about warming up for a Jersey still up here. Good times.
This is for you. This is
Yeah.
for you.
Pastry.
And all of this sugar is for me.
We've all been there. Are you alright?
Just trying to keep up with you two.
Yeah.
Need a rest.
She really has bumped.
Do you want to squash you?
They're vegan.
Yeah. Let's go!
Emily's on the front then.
She said go, didn't she? She's being
Go.
northern again.
Go.
Let's go.
You're going to get a northern accent up here, living up here.
No.
No?
No, why would I?
Because you're in the north.
Where do I sound like I'm from currently?
Wales.
So why don't I sound like you?
You probably do sound more like me than you do when you first move to London.
But you say I still sound Welsh, so on that basis I will still sound Welsh living up here, hanging around with all you geezers.
Have you ever looked up the definition of geezer on Urban Dictionary?
No.
Oh, it's good.
What is it?
Link down below.
It's not though, is it? You're not going to put a link down below, are you?
Might be.
It's the definition of geezer. What is the definition? Oh, you're still going?
Got a link down below. Go and look.
What is it? Okay, I'll look.
That was 99% off-road, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
That's
good.
ridiculous.
I'm not gonna lie. You've absolutely battered me. I'm knackered.
Oh, you smashed.
I'm properly done. Ah, it's the problem. The way out's like all slightly downhill, and you're like, yeah, I'm so fast, and then you turn around, and you're like, oh god.
I feel very good. I'm surprised. That almond croissant sorted me right out.
You know, one shit thing about this.
What?
Ran out of beer.
Got a surprise for you.
What's that?
We haven't run out of beer. Well, I haven't actually, you have.
Emily's bonked pretty hard. She's having a double dinner.
I'm eating the bolognese of the spaghetti bolognese yesterday.
Inside.
In a pizza.
It looks nice.
It tastes great.
You can do what you want.
It's food, so.
No rules.
To be fair, you got multiple comms and
Quams.
quams, yeah, and trophies on pretty much every segment.
I actually did.
There and back, or just there?
Both. It was literally like hanging on for dear life all the way.
Oh, imagine you filmed me winning 50 million quid.
That would be a great title.
That would go viral, wouldn't it? Surely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to buy these until it happens. Do you know what would be a great video?
What?
I bought every roll.
Every roll.
Every roll
to see
in
how
the
much
shop.
you win.
See how much you win.
I've wanted to do that for so long.
Do you win? Do you break even? Do you lose?
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Last day in the north. So sad. See you soon.